understand? We know for the fact you'll be look stupid if you're gonna come on these platforms and then come and defend the ANC. We were having hope. I know at least EFF is for us, more especially young people. Guess what? If EFF I reject, even today, more than 10 years, they've never won nothing out of elections. They've never governed nothing. I'm talking about just one municipality in this country. It shows Ukuthi there's no faith and hope kwabantu bakuthi, which is with South Africans, for the EFF. EFF is the next hope, I'm telling you. More especially revelations go is Phuma kuMahlanga Commission. But I'm not there yet. But what I'm saying, if ever nifuna MK, uba nisilope sikwazi uvotela MK in other provinces, because you are not going to win a country, you are not going to govern a country without ezinye provinces, because you like it or not, it's a fact. It's fine, but we have got 9 provinces. Out of these 9 provinces, ANC is still dominating with new provinces. Just a practical example, the province in Eastern Cape, ANC is still dominating. Go to Limpopo, go to Northern Cape. So you need to inject those provinces. You need to come on the ground, you understand, and make and make sense to the people on the ground. But there's MK. What is MK? You understand? So you cannot go on the ground if ever you fail to tell us with social media, because for social media it's one of the powerful weapon, you understand, with South Africans. So that's all that I can say for now, you understand. So and Funuba as we are not welcomed with MK, even if I'm not a member of the MK. But if I can get information that will persuade me, Okanye will change my mind, I can vote for MK in the coming local government elections. But if ever nifuna always sokolo si praise uBaba uZuma ne family yakhe, I'm sure MK is not about the family. MK is Banisicho, it's a political party. You understand? Now Tina, we're interested in MK. You understand? No, I'm saying I'm saying because of there was a person who writing comments about MK. It's a family business. You understand? I'm not commenting on that. I'm just making an example because of
when I keep on delivering your submission.
Okay, sure. So Hanson City, Muna, you know what? If ever MK is an organization, MK's organization as a whole, you understand? If you govern the country, you can't govern because of the dominance in one province. You understand? You need to come to us and make sense in our provinces. Why must we support him? Even if you are not a member, vote is your power. Even if I'm not a member, I can vote for MK, even in local government elections, and it will be easier for us to vote MK in 2029, and then they can take over. That's it's fine.
Can I check with you, Comrade Putas? Kuna comrade lapana Eastern Cape. Ngathi recently na befuna ukuvula into efana nale evulo Comrade Benson la. Zumanism. Ukhona lapha and recently I'm sure this month. So it means there are comrades lapana Eastern Cape. It's just that mhlambeni kufuneka mhlambeni, and whatever you are saying is true 100%. I've been saying this Guti, like we are saying Guti, in our 9 provinces, and if you want to win our national and provincial elections, you focus ku KZN, Mpumalanga, Eastern Cape, Gauteng, Limpopo. What EMKP is a national. Ikona kwamanye province. Limpopo besibona last time. Eastern Cape besibona last time. Yabona Eastern Cape. The only province that engakayiboni khona kahle ukuthi isenza kanjani is only province eyi-1 engakayiboni ukuthi isenza kanjani i-Orange Free State mina la angathi ngikhona ngayibona ukuthi senza kanjani kwamanye ama-province la amanye ayi-8 wena even ase-Eastern Cape ikhona, e-Western Cape ikhona, nakoNorthern Cape ikhona i-MK. It's all over the country in any way. It's just that ukuthi thina what we need to do as MK members ukuthi is to just work hard without expecting any like ayisho uComrade Benson la ukuthi we don't have to expect ukuthi no ngisebenzile manje sekufuna ama-portion and all those things. Some of us since yabakhona i-MK yaqala waye-16 zika-December laphana Peterson Square saba yimember lapho. From there ayikho enye organization engizoyiphilela ngaphandle kwe-MK, and I don't regret ukuthi ngisebenze for in my lifetime. This year, Comrade Benson, I'm 65 years old. This year, I'm 65 years old. In lifetime, ayikho konke ngiyazi ngaphandle kwakagogo kwe-ANC. But immediate maqala umshoze ethi nangu hayi cha mina sengiyovotela ilokuyana, I was there since from 2021 kuya ngale bengihlalele njena mangiqeda kuba ukusevisa kwagogo laphana yonke lento le yakagogo angisayingene kuyingena mina, to be honest, but without any position. Angifuna lutho ngi-right la ngikhona la ngiseza khona. Futhi angeke kuze ngicomplain ngithi hey we have lost and whatever. Irole ngidlalile uma lokhu ku-national and provincial lokhuyana elections. You can't tell me kule nguwe lo, they can tell you ukuthi hayi there's zero ngidlalile, but without any I don't want any position. At my age I'm fine. It's just to contribute kukhuleni kwalokhu kunjani kuphela. Black connection kunjani qabani ekudala sagcinana manje ekudala sagcinana ubhesini asihlanganisa namhlanje ngoba ibhesini phambili
yabona bawumngoni. What you're saying is so powerful, and ngithanda egcineni la uthi khona what we need to do is work hard. I mean masikhuluma iqiniso ngempela kuyadumaza futhi kuyaxaka ukuthi ubaba uNcamalala kule age akuyona. Ngayisho lento ngitshela abomisa ngathi mina hey you know nabo fix ngathi you know into engisabela ubaba uNcamalala, it's the same thing that the great late Assata Shakur had said, the great American revolutionary, ukuthi when you're fighting for black people you need to have a shield to block yourself from white supremacist attacks, and also have another shield on your left hand side to block the very black people that you are fighting for and their attacks. You see, what's happening right now is a travesty. Ubaba uNcamalala at his old age is supposed to be uhleli nama-grandchildren akhe udle inyoni zabantwana bakhe, but we did nothing, bafethu. We like Babumgun, I love what you said at the end. What we need to do as native South Africans is work hard for Umkhonto, because this is a travesty. Ukuthi Ubaba uNcamalala had to go back into politics, into active politics in his retirement age, because we were doing nothing. We were busy crying and complaining about soccer teams. We were busy talking about Abo Max, Abo Konka, Abo. We not work hard this morning with his hamba. If Ubaba uNcamalala, because most people were so frantically excited in the host the World Cup for 2010. who do nothing. There was a media interview kwakhe lapha kwaDawudunuse. Ngiyaxolisa eMzansi mfethu ngizozama ukuthi ngiyifoil inkulumo. Babuza ukuthi at your age why don't you retire and leave the young people and give the baton to young people? Uthi umfokashovu. Which young people? What did they do? I-country cishe yahamba la. I-Western Cape, does anyone even understand ukuthi kwenzakalani e-Western Cape? And how crucial that trade point is. Helen Zille ube mayor lapha waba premier waba mayor. I-DA governor lapha for 17 years. You mean to tell me you don't understand ukuthi Western Cape is being ran like a state? Ellen Winde is running it like a governor. As we speak, banikeze a former MI6 operative, Philip Craig, the powers to establish a referendum party advocating for the Western Cape to be annexed from South Africa. And Malala is the only national politician, which is why I call him our political juggernaut. Because they were busy calling our brothers and sisters from the Eastern Cape economic migrants, untidy, who can't take care of themselves. Right now, they are being native South Africans from the Eastern Cape are being gentrified because the property value lapana say rate ngama euro nama dollar. They are busy trying to make it new is not real. And everyone, including about Julius, laba bapraiswa kakhulu namhlanje. Laba sekuvela yobalo ngoba ngisho iBhayibheli liyasho lapha kuLuke 12:22, kuLuke 12 verse 2 ukuthi akukho mfihlo ongena kuvela. Kuyavela manje because they said nothing mangabe iDA ifuna ukutshontsha iWestern Cape from the country. And my question has always been, if iWestern Cape is not real, bazosiya ukuyenza lento abayenza lapha kuma-Palestinian leyade bezama ukuyenza lapha e-Iran, and then obviously i-revolutionary guard yabakhombisa ama-flame. No guys, ngiyabonga baba Mnguni, we the ones that need to work out because Baba Ncamalala wenzile umsebenzi wakhe from age of 17. He sacrificed everything. It's actually a travesty bafethu ukuthi kusathiwa hey this and that. We need, in our provinces, in our districts, in our regions, we need to work hard for Umkhonto where we are. We can't expect a man in his glorious senior age melenzele thina futhi yonke into. Meanwhile, icishe ihambe country like we did nothing. We were grooving, complaining about soccer teams, bragging about Abo Covassier, Nabo Astropes and all this rubbish. Doing and anyone who speaks truth to power, the media. I'm going to close by the late great General President Samora Machel of Mozambique, when he said, once the white supremacist mainstream media gives you props or acknowledges you or congratulates you, you must know that even if I do that, I'm paraphrasing, you must never trust me even with your personal secret, because that would mean I would have sold the revolution. And I think that's another biggest problem about native South Africans. They are worshipping this white supremacist mainstream media. Why? Because it has radio stations in Sindebele, it has Likwalakwala in Siswati, Mukozi in Sizulu, that's all white supremacist media controlled propagandist machine. And Abantu today, they hate Ungamalala. Some of them, they hate Ungamalala from under umbrellas behind the shadows. But need to understand, we're the ones, and I echo that issue about we're the ones that need to work hard in our regions, in our districts, in our provinces, for which we want to advance nationally. Because already, if anyone wasn't paying attention, a Midrand IEC counting center, Umkhonto ohamba phambili uyilandele ithonti ANC. Kwakhona abo Janet Love, who were rigging elections, not in 1930, just now in 2022 in the DRC, behleli nama-hacker abo ase-US lapha eMidrand. And then uma ngabe Umkhonto ulandela uKhongolose, suddenly sekuthiwa uKhongolose kuMkhonto uyihleli ubona
futhi ushajwa nge-network comrade
bese kuba EFF. Okay, I'm sorry. But then base bebuya ngalo 2 hours where so-called system breakdown, system is offline. Sekuthiwa iDA is number 2, Umkhonto is number 4. Come on, Buffett, come on. And people need to follow a track record, and this is why we follow the ideology, because he is our national and even continental political juggernaut. In the 9 glorious years, once naye ukukholela kule white supremacist media bafethu nizoqala ukusebenzela Umkhonto without expecting benefits and positions. Ngiyaxolisa ukulula, ngiyabonga ngazama. Ngiyabonga ntwaza kithi.
Hayi siyabonga my leader. Awuthi ngifake lo baba.
kudala mise sandla lo baba man. Ngena comrade.
Yes, my leader. I acknowledge inkulumo ebekhulunywa umfethu wase-Eastern Cape. Ngeke ngasho ngaphambilini kuyo i-live ukuthi inhlangano ayenzwa ama-members but yenzwa ama-supporters. And inhloso yethu siwumkhonto ukuthi sisebenze i-ground abantu bangavoteli into abangayiboni bavotele into abayibonayo. And of course yes njoba inkokheli yami u-Black Connection ibeka ukuthi amongst one of the attributes of umkhonto wesizwe is the work that was done by inkokheli over the tenure yakhe as president of South Africa, because akunala eSouth Africa angazange wafika khona. Even eAstern Cape imbala we have some of the great achievements done by a South African black president. So reach MK is national, that is not a claim. We are a national political party, not only a provincial political party. And yes, we are still trying to build up the ground as much as possible. Can you kindly follow me so I can link you up Nabantu Base Eastern Cape or East London so that you can be connected and also know political standing, say MK around those regions. You know, what is disappointing when Uncle is not us talking to you as our supporters or people who want to join EMK, but it is the ones who are within MK and are here to discredit standing Sarangamalala and want to come with their own ideologies. Masithi thina zuma izim bona bathi our political understanding, and there is no other political party efana ne-MK. We are in this position because of what has happened in other political parties, and we will never take that route. If ever ubaba ethi there will not be a national conference, an elective conference, wait ima linda ufikile lana uthole sekuneminyango usofuna ukuba udriver thola imoto ngihlanganisile wena sofuna ukushayela ngihlanganisa i-engine ngahlanganisa amavili ngahlanganisa umzimba wemoto oda wena sofuna ukushayela yini le kuphuthumisa kangaka wena ujahele thina singayazi ngoba le moto icreate yimi ngeke ke mina mnikazi wemoto ngilethe imoto yami in public sekuyimoto ephelele ngingathi mangisabhizi ngemoto yami ngitshela ukuthi wena hayi ingani nani kwasho kacema nani kwasho kacema. So these are the things we are talking to. We are talking with people internally within the MK who have directly come to destroy the MK, and we know why they want to take that route. Hence I then said we know of a few individuals who have created a platform to say they want to do away with Comrade Gedlehlekisa within the very same MK. So these are the people that we are talking to in Kokela. We are not speaking to the supporters. And ubaba uyikhuzile lento le ukuthi we should stop talking about izinto za internally on public platforms, because it is then going to create a narrative that we are not united in the MK and not understand the full dynamics of to say EMK was infiltrated by individuals who have their own interest at heart, and those are the positions that they are gunning for, and that is not what is going to be tolerated by true members and patriotic members of the MK. We are for Uzuma and his ideologies, and will maintain the order and discipline regardless of any position. If ever bathi ahlale phansi bamba umthetho kulast yakhona subamba umthetho, ingakho nengomithi noma ngiseweni ngiyenzani ngiyomlandela. So la eyakhona ubaba ula ngiyakhona. I rest my leader.
Bhuti wami waseMpumalanga buya phakathi bhuti, buya phakathi siyakufaka manje uzwile musi nje sasekhona indoda.
Sengekukhona njani bafethu ngivala imic bengaboni uvaleka imic.
Yeah.
Cha nyabo hayi mina futhi eMpumalanga ukuthi mina ngumakhelwane wakho uZuma ngilana between inqothu nenkandla yabo, but eMpumalanga ngirelated ngoba ngisondelene nabo Standard One nabo Mkhondo yabona. So mntaka baba cha ngiyakuzwa ukuphawula kwabafethu ngiyakurespect yabona uma umuntu kumele ukubeka ikwali aside ukhuluma ivara lezinye izinto ziningi izinto mfethu ezenziwe umsholozi mina ngakithi nje azenza engena kwangena i-development kwaba nogisa angeke ngokuphika ngashona ilanga mangabala i-development leyo. So and then ziningi izinto ezichallengewa i-MK especially kwi-province engikuyo like 10 ezingisho ngathi i-Leco desk. Well, everywhere kuba khona lawo ma-challenges lawo ke mzabela, even during exile kwakukhona ama-sell out babebulalisa abanye abafethu abazali bethu exile. Kukhona nalazo kwegebengu ngoba ushilo nawe mina kwathi khona lezo igebengu lezo ezothi makuzatshalwa segameni lomzabalazo wabantu abamnyama belwela emsebenzini kube khona ezothatha i-bribe izinto ezikhona. Kuphinde futhi kube khona ngiyakwazi lo ukuthi zikhona lezi igebengu ebeyisetshenziswa mhlawumbe abanye abantu abanjengo-Floyd. Kukhona iy'poko ezo-Floyd ngiyakwazi lokho ngeke ngiphile. It's not about angikwazi. Yabona ngihlala e-South Africa phela mina yabona. So bafethu ngoba i-MK ayikho le phezulu ila underground into engiyithanda ngayo i-underground ebantwini. But ke mina into engikhalela kakhulu ake sithole abantu abazorepresent i-MK laba aba-understanda ama-issues wethu underground, because into engikhala ngayo ku-MK yazi abantu abalapha ku-MK hayi mfethu yababona ukuthi abanamhabulo and abawa-understand ama-issues wethu underground abanjengawe mnakwe nobaba uMnguni noMzansi naboGotola ake kudeploy labo bantu laba if ungeke ukuthi balekha ngama-skills abatrainwe be-empowerish yabo. Yizo lezo zinto engikhala ngazo mina yabo. So far i-MK i-improvile ibonisile ukuthi ize kabi i-blind and then ke bese ngikhala ukuthi ikhuliswe kulawa amanye ama-province like la Northern Cape eLimpopo ikhona ngibonile khona especially nje kule district yo-Floyd iningi ayifakwa ama-office lezo indawo lezo njengokuthi iGiyani ngoba ilapha edominator khona ku-Greater Tzaneen district ake kufakwe i-office i-constituency office yani ye-MK kulezo indawo lezo. Alfred Nzo akube no-constituency office inama-members amaningi MK ngeke ngiyakuphika ukuthi Eastern Cape ayikho district Alfred Nzo ne-OR Thaba ama-district lawo asondelene naye KZN futhi lawo. Well akusho ukuthi kumele asebenzise i-office laseThekwini, kumele abe ne-office lawo at least kube ne-office elikhulu i-main branch MK ayibekwe OR Tambo district. Siyafuna lokho abantu bakufunwa abantu akufunwa yini ngoba bayibona uyilusizo ama-union abafelile abantu but banethemba mhlawumbe MK ngenza difference. Bese ngokugcinayo hayi kuma-members MK bafethu kube ne-professionalism especially abesiphuma nabe-KZN. Yazi i-behavior yabo banoba tribalistic too much lento lena ubandlululo kwezinye inhlanga yazi kumele kube betrain i-discipline yabona kuthiwa high command high discipline yazazi zokhulele ku-NC. Khona amagama bayokwashoti hayi nina phukuphuku zamaXhosa lezi thuthu zamampondo hayi vele uyimpondo ingakho ibhizinisi ANC yinto engakhuluma neXhosa kubuhlungu lento ngeke kusho nje ayikho into okuthiwa yiXhosa umuntu ungumXhosa and futhi uma ublame umuntu umblame ngokuthi uvotela in-organization ungabufaki ubuhlanga. Imphatha kabi mina ngikusho lokho ngoba ngwakhona waZulu Natal uZuma umakhelwana izinto ezenziwa ama-comrade we-MK wethu ase-KZN ngoba lokho mfethu kuyayibulala i-MK ibulawa ngumuntu ongenayo ne-membership ongekho nakwi-branch ye-MK ongahlali nakuma-BGM one we-MK okuwumuntu nje uyihlathi elizohlema lithi li-MK member alaziyo nakuma-BGM MK. Manje babulala i-organization bese kuzothiwa hayi abantu be-MK bonke bakwada ngenxa yani yehlathi eli-1. Ngiyabonga.
Kambe nawe Musa usimember ye-MK bhuti ne?
Yaba angisenalo iqembu lepolitiki nje ngimele nje mina. Ngiyayilandela ipolitiki ngoba siphethe ngani.
Yeah, it is my brother because ingani wena ungaphandle. Funa ukuthi ungene egroundini man. I think ukuthi wena ungaba i-leader le-right wena. So kufuna ukuthi uyo-register online and be our member. Ukuthi ungasoli comrade. Uze wena uzosi-advisa. Yilidiwe le part uyibona kanjani wena?
Nakanya kuva mntana Nkosi. As much as ngisho ngithi mina
because siyenza ama-mistake lamaningi, is better usijoyine so sizoyilungisa kahle ngoba wena ukhuluma ngaphandle. And kwesi-2 comrade, labantu la ukhuluma ukuthi bona ba-racist bebayikhuluma la ku-social media kumbe beniyikhuluma emakhaya?
bayikhuluma ku-social
Uyangizwa
media
comrade? Once
bengisakhuluma mina bayikhuluma ku-social
No, I-
media bayikhuluma ku-social media bayikhuluma public on the public space kukhona imedia khona lo sisi ozala kwi-Royal House yakwaZulu endlu enkulu kaZulu okuthiwa uLondeka Ncamu Zulu banibani kodwa ingane intombazana ku-Royal House wabiza i-spokesperson samaphoyisa ngelokhu ngekwerekwera athi ngikhulumela ulimi ongalizwe ekhuluma isivenda leyo nto leyo ngoba lo muntu unokurepresent i-MK not Labour Desk unokurepresenta abasebenzi egameni lani le-MK kompumalanga so isithunzi se-MK sidicileka phansi ngabantu futhi abekho nakwi-structure se-MK yabo bakwenza public nalento emedia ukuthi kuyovela noma ubani oyinyanga thizeni edumile ayikhulumele engekho kwi-structure authorizwe i-media i-MK ukuthi ucomment mfethu kwi-organization sinabantu abangacomment yabona nje ngithanda umfowethu lokhehlelisa akakhomenti sinoma kanjani nge-MK ukhomenta ngani ngokucampaigna ngokulanda abantu ngokunceda abantu kona ezinye inyanga nje evedane gaqamuke nje sikhulume nge-MK angisho ba ama-member MK kodwa kunomthetho wemedia ngoba nawe mina kushilo ukuthi angeke sisakhuluma nomnguni ezinye izinto ngeke uyikhulume ziyodinga ukuthi ikhulunywe abantu abafanele. Ngiyabonga ngiqedile.
That's why wena bhuti manje ufaka ligama lalo omunye umuntu akekho la ku live and uma sithi siyakhumbula sisonke ukhulume kahle lo sisi athi uyakwereza.
Awu wrong lapho msutu
Likwerekwere. No my leader. Listen mfethu. Mina lo ukhuluma naye. Ngimshangana. Is who I am. Ngeke ngikuvale lokho.
Nyaku
Usabani kahle kahle. So wena comrade ngithi wena siphelele so sithi wena sicela ukuthi ujoin iMK party uze uzosikhomba ukuthi sisebenze kanjani. I think it's better ngoba wena ubona ukuthi sifaila kuphi kunema mistake kuphi. Take the membership and join us.
Nina nifeli ngisho khona laba abantu laba ngathi ama spectator abona nje okwamahlathi abangena membership abekho kwi-branch.
Becoming one of them, kodwa bafu uyakhona lokho mnaka. You're also becoming a spectator, my brother. You're also becoming a spectator, seeing errors from a distance without joining in. You know, you're letting us feel the heat by ourselves while you're supposed to be inside and correct.
Webut. Awuphila undiphe. Okugqibela. Yazi, you've just reminded me of something. Uyazi ba after the elections, kukho izinto ke that I don't like to talk about. For instance, if you can bring up the topic of rigged votes, I won't even comment because I'll take that as underground information because that thing was even thrown out of the court. You understand? So I don't want to talk about underground information where there's no substance. But again, we're like the point in Tetangai. Oba yazi, Omisa Andiswa, they know. I fight with them. Some of us will fight with them after the elections. Some, not all, some people of KZN, they were calling us Eastern Cape uba thina sivotela ikaka sihlala ekakeni sizawutya ikaka. You understand? We were angry about that. We were angry about that. I think Baba Mnguni, he can attest to the. You understand? And they even apologize. Some people from KZN, we asked them uba, you can't tell me about the Eastern Cape. I know in and out the Eastern Cape. You understand? I was the member of ANC. I'm not a member anymore. But you can't tell me the Eastern Cape while you are not even here. Even I can tell you now, if the reason why there was there was this thing, a campaign, Kabab Jacob Zuma in Nelson Mandela, and then as East London, which is Buffalo City, those two metros. If you capture Eastern Cape, if you capture OR Tambo or capture Buffalo City Metro or capture Nelson Mandela Metro, Ukebili Eastern Cape, don't tell me about Amatol, Alfred Nzo, those Molanyana district, you understand? And they listen to major major districts, you understand? It's whereby even now, I can tell you now, ANC is still dominating and they are worried now, you understand? But we are feeling now in a fear yokuthi. Political parties like MK, local government elections are around the corner. We need to see the members, or we need to see the people from MK that are on the ground, that are campaigning. You understand? Because the problem is, if you guys don't do that, I'm telling you now, you don't win elections because you must be the member. You must carry a card, a political party. No. We are going to vote as an non-political party member as a team, because some of us were fed up to join these political parties. But if ever my conscience here, let me go and vote MK, I'll do that. But at some point, we need to talk the truth. Sometimes truth is hurts, you understand? If we're gonna focus on these presidents, that Zuma did that, Zuma this, that, that is not the point. Zuma, he's a human being. You understand? He did what he could do at that time, good and bad. Same thing, Thabo Mbeki, go to Mandela. You understand? But if ever, no, my brother, some of you, it's what you do. And then you will tell me about the successes of Jacob Zuma. I'm not interested in that. I'm interested in the political party.
Bro, but I'm interested.
I'm interested in the political party. Don't tell me about the biography.
The connection.
No, don't tell me about that.
Listen, leadership.
When you campaign.
You know, native South Africans will surprise you. They've never said nothing when the ANC was setting off the country. A party that's less than 2 years, suddenly the whole country is, erupting over MKP. Yes, they've been bamboozled and hoodwinked by the ANC. Instead of assisting and coming with solutions, they are criticizing.
No, my brother, you can be intellectual, you can be educated as much as you can.
Let's leave him.
But my brother, I'm telling you now, my brother, my brother, some of us, it's fine. Okay, it's fine, my brother. Anyway, I'm almost landing. Some of us will understand KZN. I've been in KZN many times. KZN is not far from Eastern Cape. It's not even more than 6 hours. There's a northern side. There's a northern part of KZN. I'm gonna tell you about Mpangeni. You understand? About that side of the rural side. You understand? There's still poverty there, my brother. But what we are grateful for, we see MK there. My brother, you like it or not? KZN, it's in the pocket of Lendoza, of MK, because people of KZN, they want MK as soon as yesterday. They can't wait to vote for MK in power. We have to respect that. But my point is, come to us. Tina Sngamaxhosa say Eastern Cape. You understand? At least it makes sense to us. Why must we vote for MK? You understand? Yes, we are fed up about the ANC. Go to Northern Cape, go to Western Cape, go to Free State. You understand? Makes sense to those people who sell MK. I'm talking about someone or a Puma who sub A in school. You understand? What you call it that time. You understand? So people that they never even go to school. Talk to them. Don't come as an intellectual and then you come with a biography. You understand? But what I love about some people of MK, they do listen. MK doesn't belong only in KZN. It belongs to South Africa. You understand? Even you can go even to a website of EIC. In the previous elections, MK, they managed to got more than 2.3 million people. But out of that 2.3, almost more than 1.9 million people are from KZN. It's a fact. Go and Google it. You'll come and tell me if I'm lying. You understand? So you don't need that number in the next local government elections. Come to Eastern Cape. You understand? Fight. When I'm saying fight, it must be head on between MK and ANC in these three regions. I'm talking about OR Tambo, Buffalo City, and Nelson Mandela Bay. I'm not going to talk about the other provinces. You understand? We must see the people of MK in the ground. You understand? We are not fighting MK here. If ever I'm saying something that you don't like, you don't have to bash me. You can just educate me or challenge me, and then I'll say, okay, I retract my submission. Okay, sometimes we must based on facts. You understand? I'm not fighting MK. Even me, I don't belong to any political party, but I'll go and vote in the local government elections because I'm fed up. But one thing that I can tell you, I'll never vote ANC. I have to think what I'm going to vote for. Even if you don't vote Wolomisa UTM, it's fine. Yeah, but what I'm saying, please don't crush us. Thina singabanye abantu abasuka kwezinye provinces that are willing to listen, members and the leaders or prominent leaders, the MK. That's all that I can say, my brother. Thank you.
My comrade, ubhuti ngumzwile mina. Ubhuti ngumzwile. Uyakwata ngoba e-Eastern Cape MK ayiveli. Uma ngumzwisisa kahle. And nabo sebakhathele bafuna untshintsho kuthi kube nokutshintsha uyabona mose ukhuluma izinto eziningi. I support you my brother definitely, but thina la eMpumalanga already 7 yema office bathengile yonke into. Ayavulwa ngoApril 7 yema office nala ngihlala khona ioffice kumnandi ku right yabona. So ngena comrade sikhuluma.
It's true that we must not be quick to fight, my leader. We are not in war, but we are here to secure our numbers. And I've put it across to you, my leader, that an MK, a political party is not only subject to membership, but also the supporters. ANC in current standing, it doesn't even have over 500,000 members, but it contains amongst the largest population of voters. It is the idea behind the ANC that people understood, and it is the very same notion that has kept ANC in power, regardless of the circumstances of what we see on the ground. So when we are amongst the people, we need to understand them and also admit to certain truths that we know we cannot never defend. I can be on a panel today and someone can say Zuma is human and he was never perfect. I agree, he was never perfect. But under the very same conditions that we are putting a submission to, I can then say out of the 700 charges that were brought against him, none has stuck, none of it has made him to stay in jail. And that would be the first question why I put across. Which City Lomuntu is amongst the most corrupt black South African president that we've ever had. Yet the so-called white monopoly capital and its media can never really put one crime and case to the head of the man. Although they tried with strategy, say Lukuzana says on the commission, which was unfair and unconstitutional to put it across again, but they failed drastically to make sure Gucci bayamwisa lo yababa. And the reasons why again, why got the bawisa comrade Gedlehlekisa Zuma, let us not forget he's the only black president that spoke about land reform in parliament. He's the first black president to speak about economic liberation of black people in our lifetime, which is radical economic transformation in our lifetime. And so this has created a battlefield for the white monopoly capital to say this is our enemy. He wants to take away from us, and so we must deal with him. And that's why we saw a rapid propaganda machine being brought towards the head of this so-called great leader of ours. In various ways, my leader. A lot of people do not even understand the dynamics of the relationship between the president and the Guptas. The main reason why the president had a relationship with the Guptas was not for personal gain, first and foremost. We must understand the history of Amar Lopez and the Amar Guptas and the so-called white monopoly capitalists who use the very same Guptas to secure other tenders because their companies were too big under the name of PEE. And so Zuma and the Guptas created a platform where now Indians and black can secure the very same tenders that they do not qualify for under the banner and the umbrella of the Guptas to gain ama contracts afana nalawo. So this is one of the things that we continuously need to put across to the people so that we give an understanding to the people and the dynamics at hand that then created a platform whereby we now know Uzuma as Amazuptas, you know. And let's also not forget the propaganda machine that was created by Comrade Julius Malema in Parliament, saying Zuma must fall because he was the first person to advocate for Zuma must fall. He does that after coming from England, after meeting Renwick to say Zuma must fall. And these are the things that we must make people understand the dynamics of our politics. Yes, Nkokheli yami.
Kokhela ungadima ngifuna ukunanela kulento oyishoyo ukuthi not only did he go to Chatham House eyohlangana no Lord Robin Renwick we Chatham House, wasuka la ehamba no Basil Herreshoff, the former advisor ye SANDF yala, who was busy being supplied by IDF at the time. Nondodana wakhe uRobert Herreshoff. Now if you don't know those names, because that's another thing. Isn't asizinaki kodwa we are so quick to point fingers.
So this is what we need to teach to our people. Guti, he became the enemy of the state because he was fighting for a black man and black men alike to say, this is our land, and in as far as I remember, you owe me because you had stolen something that belongs to me. Let us talk about this issue and redress these issues. Yes, land reform will take time for it to for South Africans to actualize that dream. But we cannot say we must sit down forever and not address these situations. And this is the reason why we have the first and number one enemy of the state. Who is the state in this regard? It is not the people, but the people who are the true state capturers of the South African people, who we pay allegiance to, whether we like it or not. Before you eat, kumele uquphe amazinyo ngesixubho sabo. Uma uhamba uyophuza uyodaka uthenga kubo konke utshwala obuphuzayo, uyagula, uphethwe yini, ubhadala i-medical aid yabo, ubhadala i-insurance, ubhadala bona. And then we come and say, state capture ama-Guptas who only gained about 4% out of Eskom under that particular time, Comrade Gedle Hlekisa. And what happened immediately after ukuphuma Comrade Gedle Hlekisa Zuma? All the black people that were now gating something, bavaleleke iminyango, and all the power went back to the so-called white monopoly capital, who are still the people who are looting Eskom, Gakulu, in large numbers. Eskom would then claim ukuthi South Africans owe Eskom about 37 something billion. But Eskom will not then say South Africans have bailed out Eskom something like 500 and something billion over a lifespan of about 10 to 12 years. And these are the issues that we really need to talk to. Ukuthi uGedle Hlekisa Zuma, under his tenure, he was the only president esebenzisa Brian Mulife, ama engineers anobuhlakani who actually did stop load shedding, and those who were eating refused to see their money being chowed out because now things were getting fixed at Eskom. So kuningi ekusamele sikufundise abantu and sibanikeze amandla okukhetha ukuthi yebo inkokheli yayikhona sawubona umsebenzi wenza and we acknowledge ukuthi even ngizokwenzela umzekelo le mine lapha eMpumalanga Nkokheli beyine conveyor belt ehamba direct esuka eMalahleni eyongena kwi station sakwa Eskom. What happened to that system? Abobani ama-beneficiary to date. There's even a documentary on it where poor people are buying coal ngobuningi and exchanging that coal to subgrade and selling better coal to foreign countries. Are we not aware of these things? Do we not know of these things? Why is it that when a black person is doing great, akekho umuntu who will say this is black excellence, such as the black excellence of the current lokuzana commissioner wama prison, who created the platform to reform our prisons, but ukhona velt under 1 year they are now claiming ukuthi ukhona velt that have turned around lokuzana correctional services. Why do we run away from claiming black excellence when it's there? We only undermine black excellence to corruption and not being capable of governing.
Yeah.